Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Pleasant Prairie-Kenosha, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Relax in the hot tub and heated indoor pool. Free Wi-Fi, a microwave, and a refrigerator are provided in every room. The Jelly Belly Jelly Bean Factory is 5 miles away. A flat-screen cable TV is in each room at the Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Pleasant Prairie-Kenosha. The rooms are decorated in bright accent colors and dark wood furnishings. Guests can use the on-site fitness center and business center. Laundry facilities are also available. A deluxe hot continental breakfast, including cinnamon buns, eggs, and fruit, is served daily. Six Flags Great America Amusement Park is 15 miles away. Downtown Kenosha, Wisconsin is 6 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.